Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. So it is Sunday night, almost dinner time. I'm hungry and I'm lazy. I don't want to make dinner. Does that sound any familiar to you? So I don't want to eat out of a box either. So here I'm going to show you how to make a very quick, 10 minutes max, healthy dinner. So what we're gonna do together tonight, what we're gonna make is an omelette. I like it cheesy, so it's gonna be a cheesy omelette, but if you wanna take a bit more time and cut some vegetables and add it to your omelette, that's another option. And together with the omelette, we're gonna make a salad. So omelette salad and a slice of toasted bread, and that will be it for our dinner. So let's get started, and as I said, 10 minutes. All right, so for the omelette, you will need eggs, of course. I usually use 3 per person. I use 2 full eggs, and the third one I only use the egg white to make it a bit lighter, more protein and less yolk. So that's my little trick here. Some milk, just like 2 tablespoon. And so that's for the cheese. I like to have some Swiss cheese, so Gruyere, and a tiny bit of parmesan cheese to add a bit of salty taste to the omelette. And if you want, you can add, I've got some sandwich meat, turkey, just 1 or 2 slices in small pieces, and that will be it for the omelette. And for the salad, so romaine hearts, so I'm gonna cut one. As I said, I'm lazy, so I'm not making the dressing. We have here some Olive Garden signature Italian that I like. And on top of the salad, I always add some nuts and some Parmesan cheese as well. So let's get started. So here are 2 eggs, 3 eggs actually, because I added the egg white, a bit of milk, salt and pepper. So we're gonna just get that all fluffy and light before adding the cheese. And so here it is with the cheese. So some Swiss cheese, Gruyere and Parmesan cheese. Quite a bit actually, as you can see. I like it very cheesy. I'm gonna pass on the turkey or anything else tonight. But you can pretty much add what you want to that omelette. Back home, I know my mother likes to eat it with some green onions. I mean, it's really open. The Spaniards like it with tomato and potato, but that takes time to cook the potatoes first and have them tender. So this is really the quick one. So it's just ready now. Go to the stove, and that will be it. Let's get onto the salad. Right, here is the salad. The romaine hearts are cut, some Parmesan cheese on top. And I'm gonna add some pine nuts and pumpkin seeds on top to finish it. Maybe a bit more. That's my healthy evening salad. So here's the pan ready for the omelette with a bit of olive oil, or you can add butter. I mean, it's really up to you. I cook almost exclusively with olive oil, so here it goes. So we got the fire on. As I said, it's a 10 minutes thing, so that should not take more than 3 or 4 minutes to cook. Right, the omelette is starting to look good, as you can see. Very nice. Almost ready. So it depends on how you like it cooked. I don't like it cooked too much. I like it when it's still a bit liquidy in the middle. So it's really according to your taste here. You see, I cook it this way. It's still a tiny bit liquidy. I'm gonna leave it more, but not that much more. Let's just flip it once and that will be it. My cheesy omelette done. And here is my lazy but healthy 10 minutes prep Sunday dinner. Bon appétit! If you enjoy this movie, please share, like, and subscribe, and check out the other cooking videos on this channel. A lot of chocolate desserts. Enjoy!